I'm Nadia.
Oh, hi, I'm Nicole. Didn't see her there.
And today we're going to eat Samyung's 2X spicy noodles. It has a Scoville unit of 8,808.
What'd she say?
Okay, we got our Malix ready. We're going to pour it for us.
Pour it in real good. Give it to me, baby. Alrighty then. Alright. Cheers!
Cheers.
Okay.
Now we're going to pour in our sauces.
Our noodles, our things don't show.
That's okay.
Oh, okay.
Who cares?
Hi.
Hi. We're going to pour in everything so you guys don't think we're cheating.
Damn it, one focus. Okay, I give up on life. That's it. Okay, no. Okay, yeah, that's what we're pouring in. Are we all ready to die? Are you ready to die?
I'm ready to die.
Yes. All right. It smells so good. It smells like death.
It smells like teriyaki.
Okay.
Look how red that is.
Oh my god.
We only tested out one packet for each of us because we didn't want to die so quickly.
Yeah, we weren't ready to die yet. Oh, wait, never mind. No, I'm always ready to die. But, I don't know, maybe next Tuesday.
Oh my god, it smells so spicy.
Oh my god, bitch.
Do you smell that?
I don't want to. Yeah, I smell it. But I tried to unsmell it.
Okay, you ready? Have the first bite?
Mix it around real good.
Okay, you ready to have the first bite?
Oh my god.
It smells really spicy.
Oh my god.
I had dreams about this, you know.
This is what death looks like.
No,
Okay,
seriously,
are you ready?
I had dreams about this. Last night I had a dream I was eating this because I was planning on eating this for days, for a month.
For a month. I don't know why we didn't eat it
I wonder
sooner.
why, Nicole.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Set.
Oh my god, so sexy.
Cheers.
Okay, what she said. Oh my god. I'm already dying. Wow, how do other people do this? Bitch, I'm already dying. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, those are our doggies barking because they sense our pain.
Daisy, no.
I can't do this. Oh my god, I'm a failure.
I already had one bite and that's killing me.
Oh, and you eat spicy things.
And I
Oh
eat
my
spicy food
gosh.
all the time. This is too spicy for me.
Wow,
Wow, that was just one bite. Oh my god. I'm dying from one bite already? I never die from one
Oh my
bite.
god, my throat.
I'm already getting sweaty.
How do people do this with 5 packages, right? I can't do this. Can you do this?
My eyes are already getting watery.
I can't do it. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh my god.
There's no going back now.
There's no going back, bro. You gotta finish this.
I am not a loser. Are you a loser?
I am not a loser. I'm gonna finish this. Dude, good thing we only did one packet. I don't think we could survive more.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I only took 2 bites.
Wow.
Oh my
sweating and I'm getting snot nose.
My nose is leaking already.
Ah.
It tastes really good though.
I can't taste the taste if there's a taste. Oh my god, it gets spicier even. You think it gets like better? You think?
Oh my god, my nose is leaking. Got some napkin right here.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
My eyes are watery.
I need napkin. Let me go get napkin.
Okay, get napkin. Wow. I did not expect that to be so spicy. I guess that's why it's a challenge, right?
This is not getting easier.
My lips are burning.
Oh yeah, mine too. Even my stubby. My insides.
Oh. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh. I'm getting sweaty. And it's cold now.
Oh my god. Oh, I just want to get this done with. Oh my god.
Me too. And you know, usually I love spicy food.
Yeah. Wow. Woo! I can't even think. I can't even talk.
I can't think. No, I can't. It's too much for me.
Mm-mm. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dying.
Last bite. Oh, man.
Oh my god, I'm gonna vomit.
Take your time, bro. Take your time. Don't force it.
Oh my god, I can't do it.
Okay, I finished it.
Damn you!
All
Damn you!
gone. All empty.
Ah. Oh my god, what about me?
Oh my god. It's horrible.
Oh.
Oh my god, my lips are burning. Still leaking.
Ah. Okay, finished! Woo!
Whew, we did it.
That was awful.
Oh my god. Oh, man.
That was, wow.
My eyes are tearing up.
Oh my god,
Oh.
I'm so sweaty.
Oh, it's leaking.
Ew.
My tears are leaking down. review. That was really, really spicy.
Yeah.
We ate it out of our lamp bowls, as we like to call it, because it looks like lamps. And our mouths are just dying right now, right?
And my insides.
Yeah,
Woo!
totally dying right now. And I'm gonna go to sleep after this.
Woo!
Really, really spicy.
Okay. So, do this if you dare. If you want to die.
Yeah, if you
Woo!
want to die, then do this.
Yes. Oh my god, my mouth. Okay, is that it?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Sit down. Okay. Hi, I'm Nadia.
I'm Nicole. No, I messed up. I messed up. Can I do that one more time?
Don't. Just. I'm gonna edit it. Just sit down. Sit down.
Oh,
Sit down.
say it again.
Okay. Hi, I'm Nadia.
Hi, I'm Nicole. Oh, I meant I'm
So
Nicole.
stupid.
I meant I'm Nicole.
Okay, ready?
I'm Nicole.
Let's do it again.
Oh,
Okay. Hi, I'm Nadia.
howdy there. I messed up. Can we do it one more time? Okay. What did I say?
Oh my
Did I
God.
say good evening? Oh my god. Okay, wait.
I can't even say like the first sentence. Okay, ready?
I did not expect this. Okay, wait, one more time. Woo! Okay.
Okay, shh.